Now, it's a sweet sentiment if you want to take me at my word, but to be honest, the only people you should be listening to are those with proof that back up their claims. And my proof is sitting in my Phantom wallet right now. You are looking at 6 figures inside my Phantom wallet, which I have made using this method. If you stick around and follow along, you could be making this kind of cash. Woo! This video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor. Your capital is still at risk. I'm just here to explain how the process works. Okay guys, you're here, and that means you have heeded my words of wisdom and you want to make some serious cash. But before we get into that, there's just something I wanted to talk about with you. So we can take a look at the candles of any coin on the market, and you can see here things are looking pretty volatile. It doesn't really matter how far I stretch it, but also you can see that sometimes these coins have these amazing boosts at the start. Now that may be because the coin here has used a similar method when in its creation that we are going to use as well. If you're on this boost, you're going to kick yourself if you sell too early, and you're going to really kick yourself if you don't sell at all and you end up getting rugged. Take a look at this. Big rises, massive rise to a peak that hardly lasts any time at all, and then this massive crash right at the end. Now, if we're a trader, we have got to pray and hope that we are at that peak, and it's really difficult to put yourself in that position. What I'm offering is a little bit more secure through createcoin.fun. When we're creating the coin, we make the money and we don't need any coding. It's a lot more stable, okay? So all we do is push some buttons. You don't have to know Java or C+ or anything like that. I mean, I don't know my way around coding very much, but I can use this service just fine. That's amazing, right? I'm telling you, it is way more stable and a way to make money. So let's have a look at the pump market here. When most people make coins, they put them onto pump, and pump's big and there's lots of people on there, and that's great, but the market caps are terrible. If you're not one of the big breakthroughs, then your market cap barely gets past 10k. But let's have a look at Metora through my dynamic here, okay? Look at these market cap. Already, we have got a bunch of them on here, 200k here, 30k there, 92k there. The spread is much better. The coins have got a lot more room to breathe. Then that means we are more likely to hit the real big bucks if our coin absolutely explodes. But it doesn't need to absolutely explode, it just needs to make more money than it starts with. So we now can launch our coin. So first we need to connect our wallet. Okay, so we have got our Phantom wallet here that we are going to connect, just as easy as pushing those 2 buttons. There we are. My Phantom wallet is connected to the service. There we are. Click on the Phantom wallet. Let's have a look at what we got inside. $128. This is roughly what I recommend to have. Around about $100 is what you need to really get this going. That's the kind of money you'll need to put down in order to make the big bucks later. We could make our coin here. We could put the Trump coin. We could put the Elon coin. We could put the Biden coin. We could put whatever. It doesn't really matter. We're going to have to do loads of marketing. We're going to have to be really careful where we put our coin. Let's click copy trending instead. Okay, so this is going to show you several coins that are hot on the market right now. So these are the coins that people are talking about. The hard work's already been done for us. We don't need to do all the laborious getting the hype going on social media, following a Twitter feed, whatever. We don't need to do any of that. We can just pick a coin that's suitable for us. So we can take a look at some of these coins here and we can just grab one. So I mean, we could take Capital versus Wealth. That looks pretty fun. We could do that maybe. It's got a Buzz Lightyear thing. I like Toy Story. That was a great film. We could just copy that coin there. And now what's going to happen is your Phantom wallet is going to bring up a little pop-up in the corner here. This is a normal part of the process. It is just a transaction that Phantom doesn't fully recognize. So you need to proceed anyway, and then you need to confirm. And then once you've done that, there'll be a little tick box here that says you understand you could lose your funds, which of course is the nature of the game. And then you confirm and proceed anyway. Okay, this is all part of the process. So now, boom, our token has been created. So we need to put in some liquidity. This is where we put our money down. I'm going to go 0.25 today, just because I feel like it. So let's put that money in, but 0.2 is a good range to be in. You can go as high as 0.3 or 1 if you want to go real crazy, but 0.2 is just fine. So we are going to hit create pool, and then we're going to confirm that transaction. That is when our coin will be on the market. So there we go. Bang. our coin is now on the market. We can see it on Dex Screener. Currently, our value is estimated at $15. So if you're at 0.2, it might be a little bit less, but because we're at 0.25, of course, it's a bit more. So let's take a look at this lightning bolt. Why would we want to click the lightning bolt? That's because this will boost our token. This is the secret weapon in this method. We need to pay a little bit more SOL, a 0.25 cost, okay? If you've got that money, that's why I said you need $100 roughly, because these are the costings. You click to boost, and all those bots and all those trend chasers will see our coin before anyone else's. We are going straight to the top of Dex Screener. That should give us the necessary boost to make our money quickly. Let's have a look on Dex Screener. So I'll just go to full screen, hit Dex Screener, and we should be good to go. Here we are. So, all right, already look at that. We've got buy. So already we are up to 12 buyers. So there's 44 traders looking at us, 23 buyers. The transactions are just kicking through the roof. We're nearly at 200 already, and you're sitting here with me, guys. This is the kind of activity that these coins can get when the booster is engaged. Look at our liquidity. We've already beaten a K. We're already above 1K, 2K for liquidity. Incredible. Market cap is at 3.3. These numbers are just insane. This happens every single time. I mean, I wish I could sound more excited, guys, but this is just been happening over and over and over again. I've repeated this method so many times that I just get these crazy numbers, and to be honest, they're not even a surprise to me anymore, because this is just how the market goes every single time. With that booster, we secure ourselves the profit we need later. Now, we can run this for as long as we like, and then eventually we can pick a moment where we're gonna pull that liquidity. So let's just leave this for a little bit, and we'll see where this goes. Okay, again, look at these numbers, man. This is great stuff. So I have ran this for a bit now, and I've decided it's time to pull that liquidity. Let's hit a refresh and see where our estimated value is at. So we're looking at 1.5K, guys. Look, we started at 0.25 SOL. We're now at 16.6 SOL. That's a lot of coin that's just gone straight into our meme coin. We're going to hit this minus button. We're going to hit 100% on the liquidity pool. We're going to remove that liquidity. And of course, we're going to hit confirm on the transaction. Now, if you leave a comment, you like, and you subscribe, you will have a chance to win half of what I make today. Let's find out what that number could be. So we're going to open up our Phantom wallet. Started at roughly 128. Guys, $1,100. Someone could be making $550 if they follow the like, subscribe, and comment. Try this out yourselves, guys.